What's up, y'all? Welcome to our video, Bad Drivers of Houston. All of these videos have been caught on our dash camera in our car. So let's just jump right into it. Example A, y'all. Excuse me! Coming through! I mean, I know he sees the red light, but he's like, YOLO, I'm out of here. And as you can see, this dude just about merges into somebody. Like he knows him or something.
The hell?
What is it? What is it? Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot, man!
I've seen that focus behind us almost rear-ended the other car.
Yeah.
And the police out there, they just let him off.
Thank God. Because, okay, you know, I couldn't see him, but what was he holding on to?
His pants.
What is wrong with him? Another person thinking that a stop sign really doesn't apply to them. I mean, why do we even have stop signs? What's the point?
Yep.
That's the thing about trucks. If you just follow them, then you could possibly be running a red light. I mean, that was yellow, but it wasn't. You weren't supposed to go.
There's liquor, so-called liquor zone.
Oh, no, look. He done lit him up.
He went for a red light.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. He done lit him up.
Yeah. Should I get 2 large chilies?
Do what you want.
I don't know what I want.
Oh, well, if you want it for tomorrow, then maybe you should. God bless America.
Oh, blood.
I feel like right now this is like a game of Mario Kart. 3, 2, 1, everybody go! Thank you so much for watching. Remember now, if you would like to help support our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. We would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. Be on the lookout for our new videos. We are uploading videos of new content every week. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Bye.